Good day everyone, today we are here to represent the Group 3 and today we are excited to share our DIY volcano experiment. So here is our volcano. We built our volcano using plywood for the base, giving it a sturdy foundation. And for the inner of the volcano, we used Casalo Coke bottle and we skillfully sculpted the outer layer using mud, creating a realistic volcanic shape. And as you can see to the outer layer, we also added some designs such as grass, lava paintings, and white tracks, and then we painted it using the color red. To achieve eruption, we prepared a mixture of baking soda, dishwashing liquid inside of the bottle, vinegar, and food color. Food color because it adds a visual appeal and it makes the eruption looks more realistic, while the vinegar, when combined with the baking soda, it will trigger our chemical reaction. So let's see what will happen if she pour the vinegar mixture to the volcano. Watch closely as the vinegar and baking soda reacts, producing carbon dioxide gas. This gas trapped in the soapy mixture, causing an eruption. So as you can see, our DIY volcano experiment effectively shows how simple ingredient can create a cool chemical reaction. So that's all for the Group 3 and I hope you've learned something.